Have you been trapped in the same crew neck, V-neck, scoop neck rotation since 2020? It's time for a neckline intervention. What you're wearing may literally be dragging your virtual presence down. But guess what? There's a world of neckline options out there to work with. And you're going to be surprised how quickly you can go from forgettable to, doesn't she look polished every time? Today, I'm sharing the 7 best and most flattering neckline looks to wear on video, including some seriously underutilized styles that work like a virtual makeover on camera. They may even become your video call best friend. Oh, and here's the better news. You may already have some of these styles collecting dust in your closet. Well, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie Hanson if you're new here, and I help women look and feel confident and fabulous on camera. Here you'll find tips on virtual fashion and style and beauty that elevate your professional presence and really work in virtual meetings and video calls. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe and join us on this virtual style journey. Here's the thing nobody tells us about virtual meetings. Your neckline is secretly running the entire show. Because think about it, on a virtual meeting, you're literally seen from maybe chest up at the most. And that beautiful outfit that you put together, we see 10-15% of it at best. And it's not always the most interesting 10 or 15%. Your neckline is really your frame. And much like a photograph, choosing the right frame can either make your image pop or sabotage your look. What makes it even more challenging is those necklines that look fantastic in person can sometimes fail miserably on Zoom. See, the camera has its own rule book. So let's decode what really works on screen with these 7 styles that absolutely crush it on video. Our first look is the contrasting collared shirt, or as I like to call it, the MVP of virtual meeting style. This may be the perfect women's shirt for video calls. A tailored collared shirt always looks polished, but it's especially suited for video because the collar frames your face like architectural magic. But here's the secret ingredient that elevates it from good to absolutely perfect: the contrasting collar. You've probably seen the classic white banker's shirt. It's professional, but it's a little old-fashioned. Plus, white around your face can really wash you out and vibrate with anything less than Hollywood-level lighting. So this Robert Graham design adds personality and visual interest with an inner contrasting collar. What you want to look for is a print or a color that complements your skin tone and a structured collar that's in a fabric that's weighty enough that it can hold its shape. Number 2 is the keyhole neckline. This is seriously one of the most overlooked styles, and I am obsessed. It's like having a necklace built into your top, which is super efficient styling if you think about it. I love how this keyhole frames my face and also keeps the depth professional for virtual meetings. So a couple things to look for: a smaller keyhole like this. It's small, but it adds big impact. And look for fabric that is fitted somewhat so that it doesn't slide around and create an unexpected reveal. Number 3 is a drape neckline. I just think a drape neckline looks effortlessly elegant. These soft folds really add some movement and dimension without being distracting. And in fact, you can see they sort of catch some shadows, which adds depth, which is very hard to do on camera, so you don't look so flat on screen. Now, you do have to be careful when looking for a drape top to wear on video because you want to find something that looks intentionally draped and not too oversized and baggy, which makes one wonder if you just forgot to iron your shirt. Also, be aware of the length of the drape. This one from Kobe Halpern is a little longer drape. It's open all the way to the side here. And to avoid unexpected reveals, you might want to put a little safety pin or some tape there at the spot where you want it to end. Number 4, the architectural cut. This rust angular knit proves that all necklines are definitely not created equal. Forget boring scoops or crews or V-necks. This sharp architectural cutout frames your face like custom artwork. Plus, it's particularly flattering if you have broad shoulders like me. I got it a couple years ago, and every time I wear it, I get, "Where did you get that top?" messages. Number 5 The gentle ruffle. This is where feminine meets professional. Like the right soft ruffle can add texture and dimension in a beautiful way on camera. The magic of ruffles is in their movement and light catching ability. Unlike most fabrics and styles that the camera tends to flatten out, ruffles tend to catch the light and create shadows, which adds texture and depth, which makes you look even more lively on video. So you want to look for styles that have softer ruffles in a medium to smaller size so they enhance rather than overwhelm or distract your audience. Number 6 is the structured cowl. Like a good drape top, a cowl neck can create beautiful vertical lines that can be really flattering on camera. Unlike a turtleneck, which can look closed off, a cowl adds elegance and length while maintaining an open, approachable feel. I love the construction on this one. It's rayon, nylon, and some spandex, so it maintains its structure while adding serious dimension. So what you want to look for are longer cowls that create graceful folds and medium weight fabrics that maintain their structure. Number 7, the choker neckline. This choker plus a V-neck cutout is pure genius. It's a double framing effect, and it elevates your presence from, "Does she know we have a meeting?" to, "She clearly prepared for this meeting." Things that you want to look for are a choker that is snug but not too tight, and of course, a professional level on that cutout. And once again, making sure it doesn't slip around for unexpected reveals. So remember, basic necklines equal invisible presence. So these are my 7 best neckline styles for video and virtual meetings. Now remember, your face shape can influence which style looks best on you. So we'll be diving into that topic in a coming video. So be sure to hit subscribe and join us on this virtual style revolution.